Welcome to your online source for calculator tutorials. In this tutorial, we will look at finding the intersection of two graphs. Alright, let's start by going to the y equals menu. I already have some equations set up in here. These are from the window setting tutorial if you've watched that one. First is a linear equation and the second is a quadratic equation. Alright, I've then taken and gone into the window to set up a proper window. Once again, this is the same window we looked at in the window settings tutorial. Alright, once you've finished with that, let's go ahead and graph this particular set of equations. Alright, from looking at the graph, there appear to be two intersection points. We'd like to know what the x and y coordinates are for each of those points. The way that you can do this on your calculator is to locate the calculate button above the trace button. If you go to second trace, that'll take you into the calculate menu. Now there's going to be several things over the course of the semester that we're going to use this menu for, but for now let's concentrate on finding the intersection points. Once you've entered this menu, to find the intersection you simply go to option number 5. So go ahead and either hit 5 or scroll down to that point. Alright, it's going to give you a series of prompts. It's going to ask you for a first curve, then a second curve, and then it's going to ask for you to guess. Typically what I tell students to do is just to take the cursor and put it on or near the intersection point they're interested in and simply hit enter 3 times. Alright, once you've done that, it'll say intersection at the bottom followed by the coordinates that you need. The x-coordinate of this intersection is 26.18. The y-coordinate of this intersection is 623.61. Alright, we can repeat this by going back into the calculate menu, selecting number 5 for intersect, and then moving our cursor, using the arrow keys, toward the other intersection point. Now, given our window settings, it's going to be kind of hard to see exactly where the cursor is going to meet the intersection point. But once again, you only have to be close. So let's go ahead and hit enter 3 times. And it tells us that the intersection in this case is 3.82 and 176.39. This concludes the Finding an Intersection tutorial. Feel free to replay this tutorial or browse any of the other available topics on the course webpage.